Walking down Green Island of Macau. Travessa da Ilha Verde. Walking down Travessa da Ilha Verde. Up by the border in old Macau. Just walking in Macau. Ooh, always something to see in Macau. Just walking in Macau. Ooh, always something to see in Macau. Just walking, Travessa da Ilha Verde. Ooh, walking around Travessa da Ilha Verde. Ooh, Travessa da Ilha Verde. Walking Travessa da Ilha Verde.
Okay, we're at something called Travessa de Ilha Verde. Ilha Verde is Green Island. This right here is the Hua, which is the street. And then we're gonna be probably walking down over there by that water pretty soon. But we're gonna be walking around in here first and showing you what Green Island Lane looks like. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's Travessa de Ilha Verde. We can kind of see all these tall apartment buildings. So they're building all these, and these ones you can overlook the water all the way down on that side. We're gonna be walking into this whole space in here. And they have a little series of apartments all up in here, and I think that yellow building, I'm not sure, that might be, there's a Catholic university over here called St. Joseph. Looks like most of these places are like engineering companies. We'll just kind of walk in and just take a look around here. I don't know if this is all part of it. It looks like we have a lot of let me see. These are all kinds of different types of shops and such like that. Huh. Okay. Nice trees. Yeah, it's like all kinds of like kind of industrial. Lots of residential kind of mixed in. And let me see, I think that wall kind of marked the end of the Travessa. So we just capture as much as we can in here. So yeah, I believe there's a bus stop over there too. So we'll just walk in and see it. Oh, it's apartments. I wonder if the rent is in this area. So we're really close to the border of Zhuhai, China. Huh, there's even a advertisement. When nice encounters love. Huh. That's a leftover from, I wonder, it's funny that they chose to put it up here. Okay. So we'll come all the way into this little plaza here and see what's... Huh. There's even a place to chill out in this area. A place like that, and even some benches in here too. Actually, it looks really nice. Those trees look really nice. Okay, we're gonna keep on. And over here, it's like a little bit of a factory, even. It's nice. Okay, let's keep on going around. So you can kind of meander into those areas as well. I'm gonna kind of want to capture the sign over here. Travessa, Ilha Verde. Let's see what's over here. Factory outlet. Let's go back in it. Suzuki. So yeah, basically it's like kind of a lot of stuff says engineering, logistics, kind of heavy machinery kind of stuff, but then all these apartments too, right? That's kind of where we were at earlier, down in that way. Huh. I'm surprised I don't also see some restaurants in here too. Feels like a lot of people who office of some kind. So yeah, this is all part of Green Island. Let's see. There's a waterfront all the way down that way, so we're gonna go directly to the waterfront. But yeah, this is Travessa de Ilha Verde. More construction over there. And then you can see all of the types of apartments in here. Yeah, there's actually a waterfront, so you can walk along the waterfront and see what that looks like as well. And looking straight ahead, we can see Macau Tower. We're gonna go right up there, then you can see what it looks like. But you can see, basically you can see like this other side of Macau, and then also some ships over there as well. So there's a ship right there. It looks like you can actually, there's actually a barrier gate and you can go right to that ship. And then over there, that's all, I think that skyline is part of Zhuhai, China. And I think that that's all China right there. And then Hengqin is in the distance, Macau Tower. And then this little boat right there is a replica of the James Bond one. So anyways, that's Travessa de Green Island, Ilha Verde. And we'll end this picture video so you have another slice of what Macau looks like in this little corner near the border.